Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Wealth here. Let's see in this video tutorial how to install Windows in Dell laptop. See, especially this is a USB pen drive bootable and it's a Windows 10. Here I will show you how to install it. Dell laptop especially has a different key to choose boot option, so I will show you live here how to install it. So before installation guys, you must check it out. Either your USB pen drive bootable is MBR or GPT. MBR stands for master boot record and GPT stands for here guide partition table. So see guys, both are here partition style of disk or drive. So let's see, check it out first here. This is MBR. Now I have to confirm of computer hard disk what is a partition style. If it is MBR, then we must install it, otherwise it won't be a functional here. So just I will come in to check. I will come here guys in search and I will write here control panel. So CON. Now see, after coming a control panel, just I have to, if it is category already, then you have to choose large icons. After coming, just you have to come in administrative tool. You have to choose here computer management. It's a heading snap, so let's see. Now you have to choose disk management once again. Now see guys here, just I have to, this is your computer hard disk and this is your USB bootable pen drive disk 1. So this is a disk 0 is your computer hard disk. So just I will come in property. Yeah, directly you can check it out. If here is option convert to GPT, it means it's MBR, and if here is a coming MBR, it means it's a GPT. Let's confirm by coming on property. I will choose here volume. In a volume, see guys here it's MBR, and my bootable pen drive here. Let's confirm after coming in a property. See, it's also MBR. Let me confirm. Just I will click here and I will come in a property. I will check it out on volume. Now see guys, it's MBR. So it will be a functional. So now what I do guys, simply I will power off button of this laptop. See, it's a Dell, so similar procedure you have to execute. Now see here guys, now I have to switch on. Now I have to choose here boot option F12. This is F12, and here is also given option F12 boot options. This button I have to press. Now I have to come on. We have a legacy option, 4 types. One is a CD DVD, second is your network, third is your USB storage device, and fourth one is your hard drive. I will show you one by one in the next video tutorial how you will install the Windows with the help of hard drive. There will be no required any external USB or CD. If you would like to directly install by virtue of the network legacy options, of course you can, but here we are doing by USB bootable pen drive. So just I have to choose here this USB storage device and I have to press the enter button here, this. Now see here, it has started to install. Now I have to wait. Now see guys, here we have to choose go for next. Now I will go for now. Now setup is just starting, so let's see further. Now see guys, here I will choose I don't have. Now here I will choose here Windows Pro 9. According to your own customization, you can choose here operating system. Now I will go for directly next. Now here I will accept all the terms and condition. Fine. Now I will go for next here. Now I will choose in custom install window advanced. Now here I have to choose which one is your C drive. So my C drive is here, this one. So I will go for format. See, if you format and then you will install, then your trial application, trial software that you have already consumed in your PC or laptop won't be functional. But you, once again, you would like to have a retrial or trial applications or software on your PC or laptop, then go for delete it. So I will show you firstly here, just to go for format it. I have formatted. Now see, I can go for next. If I go for next guys, in that situation you won't be able to use trial software that you have already used on this laptop. So just I will go for next here, delete option, and see guys, once again I would like to show you delete options, and you can delete it. Now see, I have deleted. Now once again I have to choose this unlocated space and I will go for new, apply. Now you install the window and thereupon all the trial software for 30 days, yeah, whatever the validity trial of different software or applications you can use once again on your PC or laptops. So now I can go for next. Now see guys, it has started to install the window. So after installation, it will take 2-3 times reboot, and after installation, just you have to write your username and password of this operating system, and then you will be able to get ready on your laptop or PC. So see guys, this is a Dell. So for Dell laptop, just you have to choose similar procedure and option key button. Also I have already shown you in this video tutorial. Still, if you have any inquiry, of course you can raise the query, write the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. Now, if this video is acknowledgeable guys, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more videos for education purpose guys. So now see guys, it's almost 7% is done. So it will be a more speed than being installed by CD drive. So just to do USB bootable pen drive and you will get a quickly result. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Thank you very much. Have a great time. Keep watching Technology Welfare.